This is lesson 9 of your practical theory book, and this is about the grand staff. The grand staff is when you combined the treble clef staff and the bass staff. You join it by a brace. The brace consists of a straight line and a curved line. So let's take a look. You have the straight line and the curved line. And both those are what makes the brace. And that combines the treble and bass, and therefore you have now the grand staff. A ledger line is a small line which is added above or below either the treble or bass staff. In the example below, in the grand staff to show you, middle C is on a ledger line that joins the treble and bass clef staff. And that's right here, middle C. See how there's a line through it? That is a ledger line. So let's move on to question 1, or task 1. It says draw the bass, treble clef, the brace, the treble clef, the bass clef, and name the notes indicated. Well, we know what the brace looks like now, because if we go back up here, we can see they have the example for us. The brace is the straight line and the curved line. So all you need to do here is draw the brace. Make sure you have the straight line and the curved line. So that takes care of the brace. Now for the treble clef, do your best. Make sure that little curled part goes around that second line, and the bass clef. Now to name the notes, you can refer to the grand staff here in the middle. Here you have treble clef notes and bass clef notes. And you could just match them. Look right up there to get the answers for the answers below. So for example, in that first one, number 1, that top space bass clef, that's a G. And then of course can continue that. For number 2, it says add a time signature. Well, since there's whole notes in each of those measures in number 1, we know there's 4 beats in a measure. So the time signature is going to be 4/4. There you go. And number 3, again you have to draw the brace, excuse me. Then you also have to draw the notes that are indicated. Make sure you use half notes. And remember, half notes, they're hollow notes with stems. And then, number 4 asks you to do the bar lines. So you make sure you add the bar lines.